In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product to your wish list on Shein. So, whether you're on the hunt for that perfect outfit or just casually browsing for fun, using the wish list feature can help you keep track of your favorites for future reference. Let's dive right in and make the most of this convenient feature together. First things first, you need to open the Shein app on your device. If you prefer using a computer, you can access the Shein website through your web browser. It's crucial to log into your Shein account to ensure any items you are eyeing can be saved to your personal wish list. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one or simply log in if you do. This way, your wish list will be securely tied to your profile and you can access it whenever you need. Once you're logged in, it's time to find that special item. You can either browse through the various categories offered on Shein or simply use the search bar if you have something specific in mind. Shein offers a wide range of products, so take your time exploring the sections or use keywords to narrow down your search, ensuring you find exactly what you're looking for. After you've set your sights on something you like, head over to the product page. Here you'll find detailed information about the item, including the material, available sizes, customer reviews, and so forth. This is also where you can add the product to your wish list. Look for a small heart icon, usually located next to the product image or near the product title on the page. Simply tap on the heart icon. You'll notice it changes color to red, which means it's been successfully added to your wish list. It's a quick and easy way to bookmark items you're considering for purchase without committing them to your shopping cart right away. Now, if you want to view your wish list and perhaps reconsider some items or manage what's already in there, you'll need to navigate to your account. Typically, in the Shein app or website, you'll want to go to the Me section. This is your personal hub where you can view your order history, account details, and most importantly, your wish list. Once you're in the Me section, look for the Wish List tab. Click on it and you'll see a comprehensive list of all the products you've saved. You can review your items, remove them, or add them to your cart whenever you're ready to make a purchase. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to add a product to your wish list on Shein, making your shopping experience more streamlined and enjoyable. Don't forget to check back regularly to see if any items on your wish list have gone on sale or if new stock is available. Happy shopping, and until next time, take care.